Hello everyone and welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday the 24th of September. Well, the markets are still in this risk-off phase. Dollar strengthening, risk negative seems to be the theme of the day still. Dollar index continues to rise following on from that breakout above 94 figure, which suggests certainly a return to that old June low 95.70, but 96 area I think is in the sights of the recovery. And that really is impacting across major markets. You've seen forex pairs breaking key levels. You've seen euro dollar below 117. You've seen sterling dollar below 127.60. Dollar yen above 105 sort of 10, 105.30 area of resistance. Gold being a massive breakdown below 1900, and silver, what a break that has had in recent days. So really strong moves. And we've also seen the risk aversion play coming out through these equity markets as well. The S&P 500 closing a shade less than 10% down on from the all-time highs. S&P futures are again sort of a little tickle lower as well today. So it certainly looks as though that there is a bit further downside in these moves, and it'll be interesting to see how that goes. But certainly at the moment, dollar positive, risk negative is the way that we are going on these markets. So in terms of data points, we've got the US home sales this afternoon. Little bit of data this morning. We've had the German EFO numbers. German EFO came in slightly underneath expected, but it was higher than last month. But look at this slight disappointment in the expectations component being dragged back a little bit lower than expected actually on current conditions and expectations actually. So not so great as it could have been. Or I say not so great, not so positive as it could have been on that EFO number, but it's sort of reflecting the slight retrenchment of risk appetite, I think, that you can say across major markets, seeing as that COVID rates are rising quite hard in Europe now. So yeah, interesting there. But US new home sales today expected to be slightly lower, 895,000, back from 901,000. And pretty much, yeah, that's where we're looking at. But the markets are also going to be factoring in. You've got Fed Chair Powell speaking again, and he's speaking with Treasury Secretary Mnuchin to the Senate Banking Committee today. And again, he'll be talking about monetary policy and sort of his comments yesterday were that you needed fiscal policy to dovetail with monetary policy to help support markets through support the economy through these times of the pandemic. But obviously, fiscal policy is tough to come by, with Congress still very divided on the matter. So that takes me on to my chart of the day, which is silver. I said about gold falling away. Silver is just relentlessly bad in terms of the correction. Really strong move to the downside. Just a week ago, it was up in the 127s. It's now at it was up in the 27s. Now it's at 22 area. So just sharp moves to the downside and breaching levels after level of support. You've got obviously 26 was the initial level, 23.6% fib level got breached. That opened 38.2%. We've gone sharply below there. It had a bit of a play around with that level yesterday and then opened there today and then just kept going to the downside. So does that really open 50% fib? I think it probably does. So that's 2073. Also broken this late summer support area of the initial sort of hovering around through the run higher and then the initial spike lower. So that was 22.25 to 23.40. It's just broken through that today. So it just really does confirm the continued acceleration lower, and you can see that through MACD lines, stochastics, RSI, all negatively configured. RSI now under 30. You'd say that, I mean, given the fact that the last sell-off in March, which was when the market really had a massive sort of risk aversion in the first wave of COVID, silver went down to 12 on the RSI. So there is room if this second wave really does take off. Silver would be under pressure in that move. the dollar being a main driver of that, but certainly silver under significant pressure at the moment. So you'd be looking at selling into strength. You'd be looking at this hourly chart and think, well, that's a downtrend that pretty much comes in around about that resistance high of 22.72 today. That downtrend is falling obviously at 22.60 area, 22.70. So any sort of rally within that downtrend is a selling opportunity still, around 30, 40, maybe 50 on hourly RSI is a selling opportunity. And yeah, we expect further downside in this silver chart, but at the moment it's difficult to catch a falling knife, and I wouldn't be tempted to quite yet anyway. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.